Studying is an essential part of the school experience. It helps students understand and retain the information they learn in class, prepare for tests and quizzes, and develop good habits that will serve them well in high school and beyond. However, many students struggle with studying effectively, and as a result, they may have difficulty keeping up with their schoolwork and achieving their full potential. In this story, Beatbox will share why it is important to study. One of the most important study skills for students is time management. With so many classes, homework assignments, extracurricular activities, and social obligations, it can be challenging for students to prioritize their responsibilities and make the most of their time. To manage their time effectively, students should create a schedule that includes dedicated time for studying, as well as breaks for rest and relaxation. They should also break down larger assignments into smaller, more manageable tasks and set specific deadlines for completing each task. Another important study skill for students is note-taking. Effective note-taking helps students better understand and retain the information they learn in class. It also provides a useful reference when it comes time to study for a test or quiz. To take effective notes, students should use an outline format, use keywords and abbreviations, and use different colors to highlight important information. Students also need to learn how to study effectively. This means that they should use a variety of study methods, such as rereading their notes, summarizing information, and creating flashcards. They should also review their notes regularly, rather than waiting until the night before a test or quiz. Additionally, students should try to find a quiet, comfortable place to study and minimize distractions, such as social media or television. Finally, students should also learn how to be organized. This means keeping track of their assignments, deadlines, and materials. They should also create a system for keeping track of their notes, homework, and other materials, such as a binder or a digital file. They should also regularly clean out their backpack, locker or study room to avoid clutters and distractions. In conclusion, study skills are essential for school students. Time management, note-taking, effective study